You will need a shirt. You will need a pot of boiling water, big enough for your shirt. You will need some dye, some dish soap, and some tongs. I'm not gonna do anything too fancy to this because I need it by tonight. So I'm just gonna scrunch it up and then roll it into like a little cinnamon roll. Oh, and you'll need some rubber bands as well. Just tie that little baby up. I'm using hair ties. I should have gotten rubber bands, but I completely forgot, that you even need such a thing. Now that our water is just about boiling, I'm going to shake this dye up and pour them on in. And then pour a little dish soap. Excuse my dancing. I had some music going. Give it a little stir. And then pop them in. And now we play the waiting game. Give it a couple stirs. I think I left this in there for about 30 minutes. Afterwards, I took it out, wrapped it in some saran wrap, and left it for 2 hours. And then it's time to rinse. Just rinse until your water runs clear. And now you have a shirt. Well, after you wash it and dry it. That's it. That's the show. Now get out of here.